If you have been looking for a way to play all your favorite PSP games on Android, then you are in the right place. Cause today I'll be showing you guys how to install and play PSP games on any Android device using the PPSSPP emulator. Now this is going to be a complete guide, so do make sure to stick to the end because trust me, it's going to be more than worth your time.
Come and get it!
Now simply go to your Google Play Store and then search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, you're going to see the free PPSSPP emulator, and at the same time, you're also going to see the gold version. So simply install any one that you feel like. Now, once you are done with that, go ahead and also install this app that is called Z Archiver. Very, very important. Now, also install this to your device. Now, once done, open your PPSSPP emulator for the very first time. Now, once opened, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So click on OK. That will take you to your directory. Now, once it takes you here, just choose any folder that you like to utilize. As for me, I normally like using documents folder. So I'll click on documents, use this folder, allow. Then I'll click OK. Now, right now, you can see there's no game in here to play. Now, this is where Z Archiver comes into play. So simply open your Z Archiver app and then locate your game files, which in this case is your PSP game files. So I'm going to be locating my game files. You can see I'm having some few games in here. Now, what you have to do, tap on any of your game files while in the Z Archiver app. So let me say this is the one I want to add to my emulator. All I have to do, click on it. You're going to see three extract options: extract here, extract to, and extract with the three dot icon. Click this three dot icon. Once you click on it, go to your main directory and locate your PSP folder. If you remember, my PSP folder is inside the document section. So I'll click on document, PSP. You can see there's a game folder in there. So I'll click on the game folder and then you see an arrow below. That arrow means that you want to extract the game file in here. So I'll click on the arrow. And just like that, it has started extracting the game files in there. Now, I'm also going to be doing this for some other few games. Alright, right now it is done with the extraction process. So, reopen your PPSSPP emulator. You can see the game is still not here. That's because the emulator don't know where we actually kept our game file. So, we have to show it. To do that, click on the browser icon. Once you click on it, let me start from the beginning. You locate your PSP file. Sorry, your PSP game folder. So that's in the document section, PSP game. This is where we kept our game file. So we'll click on use this folder, allow. Just like that, you can see all the games are here and they are ready to play. Now you're going to be needing some settings to give you the best performance and FPS on any Android device. I already have a dedicated video for that and I'm going to be recommending it at the end of this video. So simply stick to the end so you can get the best settings for your device. Now let's give these games a try and see how it actually goes.
Soldier second class Zach on the job! Fight!
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.